Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your map type or the satellite view you see inside of Juniper's Uinta. So what I'm going to do to begin here is you can see I've got this nice Bing map of Calgary, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to my layer categories option in the top right corner. These three layers that you see stacked on top of one another. And you can see by default I get my record type where I can turn on and off my various records inside the project to make it easier or harder to see certain layers if I only want to be working with one layer. But what I'm going to be doing for the point of this video is opening up the online maps. And you can see in here that I have a Bing Maps aerial, hybrid, and road. I also do have the option to download offline reference maps if I so please. But for today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to use the Bing Maps. Right now I have the hybrid option selected, which will show me an overlay of the roads and of the satellite data. You can see if I switch over to the aerial, I suddenly lose those nice roads in the Calgary name. And if I switch to the road one, you can see that I lose the satellite view and I just get kind of a basic road map of my area that I am looking at. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you change the map type within Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.